Only God can judge me.
That right? Only God, baby.
Nobody else.
Nobody else.
All you other motherfuckers, get out my business.
Really?
Perhaps I was blind to the facts. Stabbed in the back, I couldn't trust my own homies. Just a bunch of dirty bats. Well,
Man, how do you feel about these road conditions, guys?
It's a little foggy right now. I assume they'll get worse.
Oh,
That's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
So far, we're going the speed limit though still. So.
Guys, another 85 miles to go here. This is fucking crazy. Can't see shit. Right? And it's so fucking bright too. Scary out there.
We can see a good 30, 40 yards in front of us, you know.
Oh, there's a bus there. Yeah. Oh! Watch, there's just gonna be a huge crash up here, and we're just gonna be driving normal speed. Boom! Right into it. Right there, right there. Like that.
only God can judge me, and only God can. Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me. I hear the doctor standing over me, screaming, I can make it. Got a body full of bullet holes, laying here naked, still I can't breathe. Something's evil in my IV, cause every time I breathe, I think they're killing me. I'm having nightmares, homicidal fantasies. I wake up strangling, dangling my bed sheets. I call a nurse cause it hurts to reminisce. How did it come to this?
Gabe's doing a bad job at recording. He missed all the people chaining up.
Gabe's not recording.
He's just enjoying the views, you know. I don't blame him. For a second. We'll update you once we see what happened. This guy didn't want to go. Where are you going? He's reversing all the way down. Miles.
That which does not kill me can only make me stronger.
23 minutes. 24 minutes and we moved a spot. Cody had to pee. It's now 12:45. We've been here for 45 minutes in this one spot. There's been 2 recovery vehicles that have went up, an FJ and a Jeep. Little update, it's been an hour. We're still next to that same sign. Gabe just went pee. Stop, get it on here. Stop, dude. Update, we got a shit show. Everyone's doing their own fucking thing. No fucking clue what the fuck's going on. We got a fucking plow truck up here, grader, fucking thing. But we're moving. 2 hours, 10 minutes later. There we go. Finally made it to Eisenhower Tunnel. We're just 40 feet away.
Goddamn, we're so close but so far.
That's real. Only God can judge me. 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 Only God, man. That's real. Fuck everybody else, man. Man, look here, man. My only fear of death is coming back to this bitch reincarnated. That's what a homie meant to. We about.
So we've officially made it. Woo! Vail, Colorado.
Forever later.
6.
Like, holy shit.
Convoyed out.
Put your chains on. Oh, look at that car's even putting the chains on. Oh, yeah, brother.
It's being safe. Look at all those Teslas.
Man, right?
That's how we know we're in rich country. So we acquired the bike. Big reveal come here in a little bit. There's a sneak preview.
Back there.
We're coming back up on the shit show. We came, we saw, we conquered, now we're leaving.
Through another shit show.
We made it to the top of Hoosier Pass. Now it's time to make a trek down through no man's land into South Park, Colorado. Man, the little wisps on the road look crazy.
Yeah, we got a slow drive down.
Trucking, got my chips cashed in. Keep trucking, like the doodah man. Together, more or less in line. Just keep trucking on.
We got 87 miles to go still. We're headed the opposite way this time. We're going the mountain route, so we'll hopefully not slide off any mountain roads. If we do, you'll see it. We made it back to the springs. We're at the Alfonso's, and this is it. 2007 CR250. Show you guys some more when we get back to the house. We gotta get some burritos and then go eat.
What? You want a fucking race?
You want to race?
Yeah, dude.
Trading her in today, so might as well.
Your truck?
Are you?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Looking at some SUVs. It's a little bit of a surprise.
Well, fuck. Left him in the dust. See if we get the slow drive by.
Didn't notice, but as of late, I think I changed. Not the same since my younger days. So far I came, feel my pain till I can't complain. Cause I'ma slide for a minute till I rise in the business, make $1 billion. Show my niggas what up in this life. Middle fingers up, I don't fuck with a 95. I keep it true to me, why the fuck would I live a lie? I'm living in this world, what you care about?
Pulling up to ye old Ram now. Been a bunch of cars on this road today. Good old local track. I wonder what this big ass dude is doing over here. He ain't riding.
That's like a, that like used to be an ambulance.
Right?
It's pretty sick.
Somebody. Made it to Ram.
Bike in the back.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what that guy's doing. He's fucking here to rip.
Those guys camped here or something. There's some people already out there.
There's a bunch of people out here. Last time we came out, it was covered in snow, so there was like barely anybody here. It was just us. We got Aztec way out there. They're all ripping. She ain't got no gas in it. Oh yeah.
Almost throwed up.
Almost throwed up already?
Yeah.
Dude, we're only like 20 minutes in.
The power band is a crazy thing, man.
Dang,
There's
dude.
that.
Oh! That was sick. With the Scrub Daddy whip again. Oh, we got the whole crew coming in here now, dude. Look at those Yamis. There's so many. There's so many two-strokes out here too today. Usually there's none. And they're all Yamahas. Got Ty, man, pulling up. Ready to rip. Ew!
What's up?
Sorted. So Dolph's got this here. Traxxas rally car.
This battery is not a LiPo, but it's a 4800 series, so it'll go like 50. It'll go like 50. But with this LiPo battery, it'd go 80.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. Hold on. Battery will go flying.
Luckily, Ram has a little RC track here, so we're gonna rip that thing. See what these boys are doing over here, huh?
Talk about this dirt bike. This new.
Yeah, what do we got here? Give me the details on this new beast.
This is fucking sweet ass dude, Brock. Fucking nice fella, big dude.
Real big dude.
Sold me, or not sold me, he traded me this bike for my 2013 450.
Just kind of threw bikes at each other and went separate ways.
Yeah, so this battery, guys, is only gonna go like 50. It's like, it's not a lot.
Some action shots of that bad boy.
This one's dead too.
Dude,
I charge it over here and get one full night in the car and you
Oh yeah. That was sick. I guess we'll have to save that one for another day. Dude, they might. You never know. There's a whole RC crew over there. Dude, I could go right up there on the pit bike and see. Got Ty finally warming up. Like 30 minutes later. That's how he does it though, you know?
bros over there, dude.
Dude, we got a bunch of people here today. They just been showing up. We had a squad of Hondas, squad of Cowies, squad of Yamahas. People are ripping today.
Dab stuff.
You're right. Can't let people know about the Scooby snaps. Back brake is not working the best today.
Nothing, I've just been able to pick up little vials. Fucking sitting on your nuts sucks.
Fucking Ty just ate shit, or not ate shit, but it's balls ate shit. That's funny.
So bad.
Gotta love racking yourself.